let me take this wonderful opportunity to extend my heartiest congratulations to all the students and to the department for this wonderful exhibition.
Okay, so Aavishkar is a experimental and experiential activity that we give to our foundation students of interior design. What we believe is when they come in, they are very, very raw. So we give them all the walls as their canvas so that they can explore their creativity, they can explore their ideas.
As an assistant professor or as a teacher, my duty was to enlighten them and guide them on how are they going to make the concept and come up with a good concept and a good presentation at the end.
We are students of SOID and we welcome you to Aavishkar 3.0. This is our project Threads of Renewal. So basically, this is upcycling of tires. We have car tires, scooter tires, and we have binded ropes around it to make a aesthetic furniture piece. Then the paneling, having murals, Indian murals bought locally, and a beautiful wallpaper. We feel extreme pleasure to be awarded as the winner by Mr. Sandeep Mawa sir. Thank you.